any abuse you have experienced, any trauma you have endured in your life that cause us to be timid, to remain locked up in our own bubble and cocoon. Each and every one of us struggles in our own way, and yet Judaism comes and says that you have to always remember that your core remains untarnished. Your core is invincible. Your core is indestructible, because the core of your being is a fragment of God. Just as God is invincible and indestructible, your essence is filled with infinite potential. Nobody and nothing can crush and stifle your innermost beauty, your dreams, your passions, that inner child that always remains pure. We say it in the morning prayers, Al tigoi b'meshichai u'v'nevi'ai al tereu. Do not touch my anointed ones, my Mashiachs. So the Talmud says in Tractate Shabbos 119, who are the Mashiachs? Who are our anointed ones? Elu tinokot shel beis Rabban. These are the little kinderlach, the little children. Every one of us has a child inside. It's the child in us that is filled with so much innocence, so much joy. And yet, as we grow older with the disappointments and the disillusionments and the pain of life, you may think that that little cute angelic piece of heaven lingering inside of you has been tarnished and abused and affected. Nothing in life can touch my inner peace of God. You must trust that part of you as a spark of God, as a ray of infinity, as a piece of Hashem. Your core remains forever free. And that faith in your core must always be present, even if viscerally I am struggling with it.
TheYeshiva.net